Hello and welcome to an introduction to the Python programming language. My name is Kamal and I will be guiding you through the basics of this powerful and versatile language. Python is a high-level, dynamically typed, interpreted language that was first released in 1991 by Guido van Rossum. It's easy to learn and read, making it a popular choice for both beginners and experienced developers alike. It has a rich standard library that covers a wide range of functionality, from web development to scientific computing and data analysis. One of the great things about Python is its emphasis on code readability. The language uses indentation to indicate code blocks, which helps to visually organize code and make it easier to read. It also has a large, active community that contributes to the development and maintenance of the language and its libraries, as well as a wealth of resources available online to help you learn. So whether you are just getting started with programming, or you are an experienced developer looking to add another tool to your arsenal, Python is definitely worth considering. I hope that this introduction will give you a good starting point and help you on your way to becoming a skilled Python programmer.